Hello everyone, this is Kennedy, and today I want to show you how to deploy your Jekyll website with a Rakefile. Let's get into it. So the first thing I want to kind of show you is a breakdown of what my Rakefile looks like for my personal website. And it's kind of broken down into three parts. There's a description, which is here, the overall task, and the name of the task, right? So with this single Rakefile, there can be multiple tasks inside of here. So for this example, I just have one, and that's to deploy my website. Description is deploying to Kennedy's Garage by rsync. The task name is deploy, right? And then do, end, everything within here is the actual task. Puts, this actually just displays this inside the terminal and kind of gives you a whereabout of where the code is in the process of the whole thing. This here is nothing more than a couple of variables I have set up. I have a username, server, path. This is sh for the shell script that's going to rsync. Basically, this is taking everything from your local host, from your sites folder, which is here, and it's going to put that on your server via this path that you have assigned. And then once again, I have this puts to let me know that it's finished. Mine's a little more colorful than the tutorial. I get really excited about pushing code. Alright, so let's get into this here. So I'm going to cd into my project, and you see that I'm in the base, the root directory of it. So the only thing I have to do to deploy my website is write out rake and the name of the task, which is deploy. And you can see here it says deploying to Kennedy's Garage, so this is golden. It's putting this here, right? And then it's running this here and inserting these variables into these places here. So this line here is this line here. Now, since I'm connecting to my server by SSH, that's what we're doing here. I have to enter my password in. And this here is a set of parameters that you can, and how the rsync is syncing. And there's different options where you can use to actually display which files are actually syncing. With this settings here, you don't actually get to see that everything's behind the scenes, and I find that it runs a little bit quicker. And then you notice that it's already completed, and I have my colorful puts message there to let me know that it's finished. And that's all it takes to deploy your Jekyll website using a Rakefile. Just to let you know that on GitHub, on my personal website, here I have my my Rakefile in here somewhere. Yeah, and then so if I ever update it, I'll update it in here. And actually, I just noticed here in the README file I actually have, so just because I forget or anybody else using my website, I just have to run rake deploy to deploy my website. So once again, just three sets of items: description, the whole task, and the task's name. It's pretty simple. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up on Twitter at Kennedy's Garage, and I'll be more than happy to help you out.